Okay, so this is what we've done this week. If you are unsure or you want to review and make sure that everything is done, I have put together this short video to complement the week in review plan on the hub. As always, we go to the plan, we press start, and we see what we need to do. We see that there's a parent letter that we need to acknowledge. We see that we did a music video. We started a film project by choosing to watch or not to watch. We also did research. We started our production project by thinking and writing about 4 places that are very important to us. And some of y'all may have started the professional project. So we click the arrow and we go over to the parent letter. The parent letter's format is now an acknowledged format. So down at the bottom, you either have a QR code or an email, your name, your parent's name. It will be graded on the 8th for progress reports, and after the 22nd, it will become a 0. So please go ahead and do this immediately. Okay, we are doing music videos because we are making a film, and I anticipate that your 4-minute short film will be in the format of a music video. So, watch the music videos. Think about how they are put together, what the differences are, what you like and don't like about each, what you can use, what you wouldn't use, and write a paragraph and submit it on your thoughts. I already know who is singing. I already know what the songs are. I already know what's going on. I don't need you to summarize. You're not proving to me or quoting stuff. You're looking at this and telling me what you think. So please write a paragraph about what you think, what you can use, what you can't use. Remember, we're basically going to be making a 4-minute film, and I anticipate that it will be like a music video. Okay. Next thing we did this week. We're going to watch a movie called Los Viajes del Viento, which is The Wind Journey. As always, your parents have to consent to you watching the movie. So either click watch or do not watch, depending on what your parents say, and that will open up the rest of the activities for this project. The parent guide is not that useful, unfortunately, but it is rated for 13-year-olds or 12-year-olds, so I think it's okay for most people, but if there's a question, do the research and see what's going on. Which brings us to the next topic, which is research. So you have here a video that I made on what I expect you to do when you do research. Basically, we are just doing very simple, not complicated research here. Type your search term into Google or your search engine. In this case, it is going to be The Wind Journeys or travel movie or something like that. You're going to get links back. Choose 3 of the links to read that are not IMDb or Wikipedia. Copy the links, read, write a summary of what you learned. Not a summary of the reading, not telling me boring facts about the movie, but what you find interesting, what you learned from the reading, and maybe what you're anticipating or looking forward to in watching the movie. So after you watch the video, you go to the film project, and one of these activities will be open. So you click, you read the instructions, 2 or 3 paragraphs over what you learned about the movie. What is interesting? What are your expectations? And you paste in the links and write just as I said. You will not be able to begin to watch the movie. We're not just watching movies here, we're understanding and visualizing and intentionally analyzing the movies. Okay. This 6 weeks we're going to make a movie. The movie is about several places in your life that are important to you. To begin to make the movie, you need to write about 4 places in paragraphs about places that are important to you. These can be places you feel safe, places you grow, places you find important for some reason. We're not making the movie yet. We're just writing about what we're going to include in the movie. So please do not include a movie. Please do not make a movie yet. As soon as I approve it, though, you will start filming footage of these places. Remember safety, privacy, and school appropriateness, as we talked about and as is in the instructions. This will be your movie. It will be 4 minutes. As soon as I finish, as soon as I approve it, please start making film so we can put it together next week. Finally, some of us have started our professional project. You're either going to do Photoshop or typing.com. Please, if you can, and you have me twice, and you can get to school and get Photoshop, please work on Photoshop. Because you need to get some skills. Remember, most of you don't finish typing.com. So Photoshop, I just need a product. Typing.com, you will actually have to comply with that website standards in order to complete it, and most of you don't. So that again is why you might do Photoshop. And there is the project link. Okay, so that is what we did this week. Your primary 2 goals are to get the film started, which means you have gotten your parents' permission or not, and you have written the research, and also writing about your village. What 4 places are important to you, and as soon as I approve it, start filming. We do expect 15 to 30 minutes of film next week. If you have any questions, remember I have office hours around 3:30 every day. The link is under my picture on the hub.